How to remove multiple friends on Snapchat at once on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat app. Here we go. Your camera will open up. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different icons. Click on this one icon. With that you will land to the chat section. Right now within Snapchat there is no such feature to remove multiple friends at once, but what you can do is remove one by one. So go ahead and long press on the conversation with the person whom you want to remove from your Snapchat account. Different options will pop up. Click on the option of manage friendship. Now click on the option of remove friend. Click on remove. With that I have just removed that person from my Snapchat account. By applying the same process you are able to remove other friends as well. If in the future Snapchat comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear if you can remove multiple friends on Snapchat at once on iPhone or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.